Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. The thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the menu button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and find the option called the watch settings. And once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. Now scroll down and find the option called the system, and once you find it, tap on it. Here find the option called the time, and once you find it, tap on it of course. And now scroll down, find the option called set time, and this option by default will be set to auto. We need to change it to manual if you want to change the time. So tap on the set time, select the manual, and once it's on manual you can scroll down, tap on time, and now you can adjust the time by swiping up and down on the hours. Then you can tap on minutes, adjust the minutes, and you can tap on AM and adjust it to your liking. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. You can also change the time format, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.